Good day, IEP KG3 students, and welcome back to our fun phonics. We hope that you're doing great at home as we all face the new normal in learning. But don't worry, your teachers are all here to help you. Today, we will learn phonic sounds, the short vowel U. But first, let's review our short vowel O sounds: up, ob, ox. Ready? Let's begin. Point to the picture as you read the word. Cup, box, rob, fox, hop. Excellent. Great. You've done an excellent job. Now, let's begin with our new lesson. The sound of the short vowel U.
Track 36, Unit 9, page 78. New sounds. Listen, point, and repeat.
N, un. N, un. B, ab. B, ab. G, ag. G, ag. Un, ab, ag. Un, ab, ag.
Track 37, page 80. New words. Listen, point, and repeat. Un,
Sun. Sun. Bun. Bun. None. None. Tub. Tub. Rub. Rub. Sub. Sub. Cub. Cub.
ug,
Bug. Bug. Hug. Hug. Mug. Mug.
Let's review. Choose the picture that rhymes with the pictures on the left. Bug. Picture 1. Picture 2. That's correct. Bug and mug are rhyme. None. Picture 1. Picture 2. Correct again. None and sun are rhyme. Rob. Picture 1. Picture 2. Well done. Rub and sub are rhyme words. The next picture is bun. Picture number 1 and picture number 2. If you choose picture number 1, then you are correct. Bun and sun are the rhyme words. The next picture is cub. Picture 1, picture 2. If you choose picture number 2, then you are definitely correct. Cub and tub are rhyme. And the last one we have mug. Picture 1 and picture 2. If you choose hug, then you are correct. Mug and hug are the same sound. You did a great job, IEP KG3 students. 2 thumbs up for all of you. Remember, if you don't know some words, just always practice the phonics sounds. We all miss you here at school and hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.